Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can install Live Net TV on Firestick and Android box. So for that, you have to follow all these steps. First of all, you have to install Downloader app in your TV. For that, just open the search bar from the main menu and just search for Downloader. When you search it, just click on this Downloader and just install this Downloader app. Once you install this Downloader app, within settings you have to enable unknown apps for Downloader as shown in the figure. You can see the screenshot. Now once you enable unknown apps for Downloader, just open the Downloader app that you have installed, and in search menu or in search bar, just write this link. Here you can see livenettv.mn. Just write this and just click on go. When you click on go, the app will start downloading. After when it's download, just install this. Here you can see. After when its installation complete, there will be shown app installed. Now once your app installed, open Live Net TV on Firestick or Fire TV or Android TV. You can enjoy it. Thank you for watching.